Hi viewers and subscriber, welcome to my YouTube channel. You know it's DJ Lenny Vivo, V-I-V-O, that's how we go. Well today we're talking about Gizzy burke and bawdacat, how them fall out and the reason why them fall out and the mistake where both of them make, right? So we'll start off with Gizzy burke. First mistake where Gizzy burke make is him lazy. You know what I mean? You can't too lazy. Cause watch ya. As a boss, you still have to put in some of the work. So in my boss and call it say bawdacat wouldn't be an employer then. See? But not because you have an employer and you're a boss, you feel say you shouldn't do no work. You have to work, brother. And that's why all of this come down the way it come down. You see me? Cause you want to take all the glory and then claim say you rob bawdacat because them have all right for claim so. Nobody don't know when the channel monetize. Nobody don't know when you get money and them thing there. You see me I say? So I this so everything boil down. So here where you go wrong now. First thing first. I don't know the way how you approach bawdacat, but if you make you know say you have a YouTube channel, your YouTube channel, and you want to bring him in it because him have a vibes and thing, and you and him go and do certain videos, you and him are go do basically all I video them, but him are go do all I talking. Remember say anybody can video now, one baby we just born that can just put the phone for him and he hold you know. Once, yes me I say, you don't need a professional to hold up a camera. So that not really no work. You want bawdacat fee the in front of the camera. You know, if they behind no camera and say you're a boss and you not do this, you will buy gas and rent car and all these things. And I say work. Boss man, have to put out the work and make them know say yo, boss can work too. That's so me know boss thing go. You see me? So every day they behind the camera, channel kick off 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, go straight up 100K. You know what I mean? That's the thing I go. If you never split up, you know that they about 300, 400 I go up near to a million right now. But I tell you which part no fall off. See? Yes, when you reach that 100,000 there, they say everything boiled and bawdacat start open up in your eye. You see me? Cause your channel, bawdacat do the whole of work. That everybody I see. And that happen. Because that you make happen. You never control a channel. Show up your face on your channel, make people know say your channel and you work with bawdacat. You make it look like say a bawdacat channel and you have video for bawdacat. You see me I say so. They say you go wrong. And then you get the 100,000. And then my plot now come with Gizzy burke. Your channel, yes, if it come with you, but at this so everything just feel right there so. Yes, me I say? That's so everything just fade away. Cause me I work hard. I said me a DJs doing and me I work on a sound. The sound man, he wanna feel sound just say, oh, go and go play this so, go and go play this so. Everywhere me go play, he might collect him money. And give me what he feel like give me when he want give me. That unfair, you see me I say? And then now we get a big dance overseas, him want go. So the same thing where then get 100,000 subscriber and then him want come in now and say, yeah, put it on my name. See it? And that's how him go wrong. He could at least give bawdacat that plot there. So even if they mash up bawdacat and say, well, I have this for sure. Because if I give him, no matter how much money you give, the money I got done. No matter how much money you rob him, according to them, the money I got done. One thing you got always have for sure, 100,000 subscribers. And I mean that silver plot there, you got always have that for sure. So you could at least give brother that. If you did give him that, your name would have good enough. You see me I say? You could talk about things And it's like him a get smart. Not because somebody a tell him things, but him a get smart. And find out say money I make. Cause if you used to give him 20 grand, them a start give him 30, them a start give him 40. Him believe in a for himself, say yeah what. May I look on a 50 or a 60 next time, Cause we are get more subscriber and thing. So it look like say his money a go up and down. And you know say money enough to go up and down. The money must always go up. Cause the channel a go up. The views a go up. Everything a go up. You know what I mean? So just I try to explain to the people them say Gizzy Burke fault for everything we are going. If he rob bawdacat, yes. Or if he rob bawdacat, no. A him fault. Why do wrong? Fi the behind the camera. Him fi inna the camera too. See him like how him ask question behind the camera, him fi inna the camera. So once him inna the camera, him have the right. Him have the right for the whole video. Because a film channel, film phone or film camera whatsoever, him inna it, and him sure say him bring bawdacat in it. You see me? So that for sure you say him never smart. Him give bawdacat the whole show and say, see that man, run show. And bawdacat a run show, brother. Whole of people them know about bawdacat. And look how long them a roll. You know what I mean? Them a roll over 1 year now. And I mean from 2019, yeah, 2019, 2020, basically 1 year that. And if you're a man can roll for 1 year and you basically give him your channel for monitor, that's all they do. And they behind the camera and they laugh. And you feel like say, I hear the man. I know you're a man, bro. You don't give money powers to take over your channel. Because every time I watch a bawdacat, me see. And bawdacat family them, no matter what, them always did it. From his side days go straight up. I'm always did it, bro. So you make a mistake, bawdacat make a mistake too. Yeah man, me I show you which part bawdacat make a mistake. According to Gizzy Burke, see? Gizzy Burke say he used to give bawdacat receipt from Western Union with the money and how they share up the money 50-50. See? And they must say bawdacat say him no want a receipt because him trust him like that. So if a man trust you like that, you still have to use the head if you want to rob him. Because if him trust you like that and you give him 50 this week, or 50 this month, the other month you give him 60, then I give him 70, then I drop it back at 40, him a go know say something wrong. See? And the other month you go give him 60. So him a say, alright, the thing I step up now, then I go back, I go 30. So him a know say something wrong. You know what I mean? And him a hear from good source say, yo, enough money I make, brother. If you get enough than this, and him a understand say, yeah, but really have to go lift that brother your foot, Yeah, but you never smart. That's why you lose the link. And now, you have to go do what you never want to do in the first place. You have to go start go in front of the camera. Because if you do find somebody like bawdacat, which you're not going to find, you still have to go in front of the camera if you want to rob that somebody there. And if you want to make money now, you don't have a subscriber them, people still watch your channel, that is good. But you need to go in front of the camera, brother. You see me? We, as people who say we are boss, we definitely too lazy, man. So you want lazy boss, you don't want to do no work, you want whole of glory, and then you go on like say you're right when you talk. See? Me not see no way about that wrong. And go where he might wrong is like he don't know how much money he rob, but he just feel say I get robbed. More than feel say I get robbed too. You know what I mean? I know sometimes my money up, sometimes my money down, but I really don't feel say I get robbed if I know say yo, this week at 30, it will go 40, it will go 50, subscriber go up, ads are go on for anything and them thing there. And then I get less money. You see me I say? And then me not get no receipt Me I go ask you for receipt. You tell me say you dash your receipt. You get a portion of food and you ask me for all receipt them. And then me can't find it, you go vex because me can't find my first receipt. You know what I mean? So Gizzy Burke, stick it on your side, but you have to learn from your mistake, brother. If you rob him, yes or no, this is just a warning for you, cause he's a man who look like a traveler a lot. So maybe you can find somebody else who can talk, but you have to be in a year video. You see it? A year business, a you have to run a business. You know, turn up back at your business and run a business. You know what I mean? So you see this video, I'm not even editing, just do it one flash. You know what I mean? So viewers and subscribers, please subscribe to my YouTube video. Let me know if you guys agree with what I'm saying. If Gizzy Burke should be in his own video on his own channel. Let me know if you agree with that, and let me know if you think that bawdacat should take the receipt from for the money that he got. You know what I mean? So please like, comment, share, and subscribe. You know, it's DJ Lenny Vivo. I'm out.